the equation x squared minus 10x plus 25 equals 54. The easiest way for us to go about this would be to factor it. Now this side, we're going to factor out, we're going to leave the 54 alone for now. Going to do the x plus blank, two numbers that multiply to 25 and add to negative 10. That'd be x minus 5 times x minus 5. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25, and negative 5 plus negative 5 gives us negative 10. I'm going to clean this up a little bit and make it x minus 5 squared. Because remember, anything times itself we can write as that thing squared. The reason this is going to help us is now I can just take the square root of both sides. And so the square root of something squared is just, well, those cancel out. Now when we take the square root of 54, remember we're introducing the square root into this, so we're going to get a positive and a negative version. 54 is not a square number, so we're going to break it up into something that is a square number, or sometimes something else that might not be. So in this case, I'm going to break it up into the square root of 9 times the square root of 6. 54 is the same as 9 times 6. The reason this helps us is because now we can reduce part of it to x minus 5 equals plus or minus 3 square roots of 6. So we just reduce that square root to get a rational part and an irrational part. Now I don't want x minus 5, I want x all by itself, so we're going to add 5 to both sides. So we're going to get x equals 5 plus or minus 3 square roots of 6. And that's it.